Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with This Guy. Today we are doing something incredibly amazing. It's another how-to video, how to cook a perfect steak. Just follow the simple guidelines here, and every time you cook a steak, it will be amazing. I promise you. Okay, so two beautiful steaks there. First thing we're going to do is we're going to season them. Now, actually, these have been brought up to room temperature first, just so you know. Okay, so the salt, season. Oh, look at that. Again, always away from you. Hear that sizzle? Excellent. Okay, hi guys. Now, the steaks are in the pan, right? We're getting there, right? So the secret now, and I promise you, every time you do this, it'll work. So, they're in the pan. They're gonna stay on one side for 4 minutes. Okay? Seems like a long time. It's not. The pan has to be hot, which it is. It's been heating up there now for a few minutes. But the secret is just do not move it. Now you may be tempted to move it. Don't move it. Okay? Let it cook. So, best thing to do, put a timer on, either on your phone or on Alexa or whatever you want to use, and just wait for the 4 minutes to end, right? Once the 4 minutes are up, which is to turn it, okay? Put it on the other side for 2 to 2.5 minutes. Now, in this video, I went for 2.5 minutes. Think about it, I'm pretty sure I left it at 2, right? The secret here is 4 and 2, really. And like, it depends if you've got really big steaks, like you're talking like big steaks, maybe a little bit longer. But most steaks you buy in a shop now, in the likes of what, SuperValu, Lidl, Tesco, all the major places, you're going to be looking at a fairly kind of normal standard steak. 4 minutes one side, 2 minutes the other side. I promise you, every time you do this, if you follow this method, you are going to have a fantastic steak at the end of it. Okay, so we flipped the steaks over onto the other side, right? Now, secret here again, guys, 2 minutes, but just do not turn it. Leave the heat as it is. It's a nice high heat. It's all you're ever going to need. 4 and 2. Alright? I know I'm harping on about it, but 4 and 2. That's all you need to get a perfect steak every single time. So, after the steaks are finished time, so the 4 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the other side, you're going to take the steak out of the pan. Alright? Now, best thing to do here is to let it rest. You have to let it rest for minimum, I would say, 3 to 4 minutes. And I did mine for 4, and it was amazing. But you have to let it rest. The key messages of this video: 4 minutes one side, 2 minutes the other side, and let the damn steak rest. When it's rested, you put it on the plate, and you are laughing. Try it out. Honestly, try it out and see. Let me know. Put a comment down below, because like really, this is great. If like it works for me, it's gonna work for you. You know. Look, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and we'll keep doing them. Try it, and let me know how you get on. Thanks, guys, and until next time, we'll see you again. Bye bye.